Okay, so stedwch cyfwynnu, sitting tall. You can stand if you want to. Ac yn isio sefyll, so you can stand. If you're standing, make sure you've got your chair in front of you to hold on to, so it's a balance aid. If you feel at all dizzy at any point or imbalanced, come back to the chair. Dod yn ôl y cadw, and work from the chair instead. Okay, so there's an option for you there to stand or sit. Just see how you feel. Okay, so listen to your body, yeah, and think about how you're feeling today. So we're going to sit tall, sit forward in the front part of your chair. Okay, so we're not relaxing back. Okay, and we're going to sit tall, right up out of the pelvis here. Okay, so everyone's feeling good today and feeling okay to exercise. Give me a thumbs up if you're all feeling okay. No aches and pains, no injuries, I hope. Okay, brilliant, da iawn. Okay, so notice I am pedaling my feet. I'm pedaling symud eich traed I fyny I lawr. Okay, so I'm using and getting my ankles warm and the lower part of my legs here. We're sitting tall, Kevin and here, long spine, ysgwyddau I lawr, so shoulders down and relaxed. Try not to hunch up, yeah? We do a lot of this, don't we, throughout the day? I find myself hunching up all the time. Try and let them down loose into your back there, good. And tried sy'n line, so feet are running forward, about hip width apart. Good, okay, excellent. I was going to use some music here, but I don't know if Leah will allow and whether the recording will allow. But we'll make a start on getting our joints moving. So we're going to take some shrugging of the shoulders. Shrug right up, exactly what I've told you not to do, just, and then bring them right down into the shoulder blades. Good. Up again to the ears and back down. Good. With 4 more here. And if you continue to pedal, that's brilliant. Good. And back down. 1 more. Excellent. And now a roll of the shoulder. Let's take 1 round and then the other. So alternate roll with the shoulder. I'm actually lifting my shoulder up to my ear and then back round into the back. Ball down, tummy's in, keeping that posture nice and tall as you go, okay? And nadlu down, allan, breathing in and out, nice and regular. Let's try and do both shoulders together, so up and back. Good, up, round and back. Fyny, around and on. Good. Eto. 3, 2, 1. Brilliant. And shake those hands loose. Shake it all up. Let's have a good old shake. Shake it tall. Loosen those hands and wrists off. Shake it up, shake it down. Good. Eto, again, shake it up. Fyny. Ac I lawr. Good. And keeping the arms nice and long. Good. Let's get the arms moving forward and back. So moving symud sy'n line ac yn ôl. Elbows running backwards towards the back of your chair. Good stuff. And cofio, you can actually rest whenever you need to, ladies and gents. Make sure you're resting as and when you need. Stuck in a shop and laccio. Just as and when back in his shop, just rest up. Good. Well done. And bringing the hands to the lap here. Good. Spread your fingers wide. Okay, so spread those fingers wide across your thighs there, just on the top of your knees. Spread them wide and stretch. And then make a fist. Spread them wide and stretch. And into a fist. Good. Spread wide across your lap and into a fist. Good stuff. Well done. Arms nice and long now. Gweithio'n here and nice and long. See them line, yeah? Reaching down towards the floor. So a side bend, taking the arm down towards the floor as if you're trying to pick something up and back to the center. Show you from the side, you've got shoulder in line with your hip as you reach. Good. And back to the centre before you go to the other side. So it's a controlled movement, feeling the stretch down the opposite side of the waist, so down this long side. Yeah, good. Excellent, that's looking fantastic. Posture is beautiful. Well done, everybody. 2 more. Let's try and keep that bottom on the chair as you reach. Well done, and back to the centre. My goodness, it is humid today here in Trymaldog. If you're getting too warm, you have that water and rest out more, okay? Okay, down to a rotation. So I want you to take your hands sweeping round and look back across your shoulder towards the back of the room. Come back, sweeping through the centre, dod y canol, a wedyn i'r ochr, so the other side. Look round with your head and neck. Move your head and neck as well. Back to the centre, once more each side, reaching round. And we're moving at the spine and the waist. Good, so you can do all of these movements here throughout the day. Just to get the body on the move and circulation going. Let's take a heel and toe, so saddle, I tried. I always get that word wrong for heel, sudul, that's it, I think. Okay, heel and toe. Okay, so imagine you've got a penny on that where your toes are touching and your heel is landing. So we want to try and get that at the same spot, heel and toe. Instead of cyflynu, sit tall, good stuff. And now we're down coesau. So we're changing legs, heel and toe. Okay, so pan pwyni os da chi'n symud mwy i'r ochr. So don't worry if you can move more one side than the other, okay? Work with what movement you've got there. We're never forcing the joints to do anything they don't want to do. Okay? And back to the centre. Let's pump the heels up this time. Let's pumping up. Okay, so I'm lifting, keeping my toes on the floor and I'm pumping the heels. And you're going to feel that muscle, the calf muscle here, starting to warm even more. Pumping up, pumping up. You might want to hold the back of your chair if you're standing. Good. And toes this time. Heels to the floor and we're just lifting the toes up and down. So, try to fyny a lawr. Great. Brilliant. Da iawn chi. Okay, let's take that pedal and maybe coming into a little march. Should we try and move a little bit more now? You should be feeling warmer. Those joints are warm, the muscles are getting warmer, so we're going to work a little bit harder. So you work to your own level, all right? No competition, dim the set life, just really working to your level. Good. If you're standing, long spine, looking straight ahead, and you're lifting the feet off the floor. We're not stomping, we're not a herd of elephants, we are taking that lift and lower of the feet. Peeling the foot off the floor and back down to in contact with the floor, the full foot. Again, if you're sitting tall and you're working from the hips, the movement's coming from the hips and we're peeling the feet off the floor. Good. Swing your arms, okay? Swing eich braechau, symud ymlaen, ac yn ôl. So moving forward and back. So we're going to work for 30 more seconds on our marching and then moving into another move, okay? This is where you're going to start to get maybe a little bit breathless and warmer, but it's all okay. Keep an eye on the time, Steph. I do tend to waffle on. Not to worry. Okay, our next move is coming down to feet flat to the floor. We've got to scoop to the front. Scoop down to the side and out wide. Press down with the hands. Scoop forward. Dod and all, come back. Scoop wide and lift. Push down with the palms. Reach up. Pull back to the side and press down. Now if you want to march as well, you can. Pull back to the side. Push down. So if you're marching, it's going to be a lot to think about here. Side, push down. Really push down with your own body's resistance. Push back, side, push down. Good. One more. Forward, ymlaen, dod nôl, i'r ochr, stretch ymestyn, a pwysio i'r lawr. Da iawn. Okay, so we're going into our march. Make this as strong as you can. Good. And we've got only 30 seconds of a really strong march if you want to. So you can use this to recover from that move, or you can use it to work harder and keep that intensity. See how you feel? No competition. Well, Janet's going for it. Janet and Harry. Woo, woo. Well done. Excellent. Well done, everybody. 5, 4, 3, 2, and sit tall. Keep a pedal here. Gentle pedal or smaller march. Okay, resting on one. We're going to a bow and arrow situation here. Shoulders in line with your arms in line with your shoulders. Pull back and twist. Elbows reaching back. Elbow pulls back. Stay on the same side. Now imagine you're pulling back on a bow and arrow, and you're pulling back on that bow. We're letting the waist twist, and we're opening the chest, squeezing that shoulder blade back. Lower the arms if it's better for you. Good. Change sides. Now it. Shoulders down, and you reach back. Bow and arrow. Woo. Good. 4 more. Pedwar. Twisting round, look around with the head and neck as well. And Ian, down. Okay, one each side. Push and pull. Good. Oh, feel those shoulders and arms working. Opening the chest wide and squeezing those shoulder blades together. Excellent exercise for your posture here. So when you're ready, bring the arms down and you're into 30 seconds of marching. Off we go. Woo. How are those shoulders feeling there? It's really good postural work that. So you're opening the chest wide and you're getting that shoulder girdle really working there as well as the waist. Good. 10 seconds. Excellent work. Remember, rest if you need to. And 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. Smaller march or a pedal. Breaststroke and kick. Breaststroke and kick. Okay, so I'm kicking forward and I'm breaststroke with arms. I'm getting you to move both ends of the body. Okay, well done. If you're standing, you're holding your chair each time. Good. If the legs aren't kicking, don't you worry. You can pedal and still breaststroke. Yeah? Or if your arms are tired, you could kick. Good. 3 and 2, and you're off for your 30 seconds march. Let's go. Oh, it's going quick. We've got some more to fit in yet, so we're going to go into our strength work in a moment. How are we all feeling? Are we good? Have we got a thumbs up? Thumbs up all round, hopefully. Hopefully we've got none of that. Okay, and coming back into our last little movement. So we're going to reach up and clap to the corners, up and clap and reach, and down clap, tap in the lap. Good. So I'm getting you to reach through, reaching down. Tummy's held in nice and tight. I fyny. Ac I lawr. Corners, right and left, and the floor, right and left. Good, let's go the other way, left. Whichever way you're going, let's go the other side, starting. Good, and a reach. Keep the arms lower if you prefer. Good, last time, reach. Ymestyn, ac I lawr. And last time. Yes, it's the last push with the last march through. So if you want to, we're going to try and do a little sprint if you fancy. Keep it with a march if you don't want to. If you're holding your chair at the front, we're going to generally gradually build that speed up. So I'm starting to speed up. Okay, getting faster. Tummy's in, nice and long. Cadw'n here. Follow down. Off you go into your sprint as fast as you can. Go, 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 go. Pump those arms. Good. Or you can keep it lower. You find your level. Nice one. And Natalie, breathe in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Start to bring it lower. Well done. Keep those legs moving if you can. Good. Keep those legs moving, arms are swinging. Good. That's it. Just let those arms and legs bring us gentle, more fluid movement now. Woo! Get your breath back. Good. Just the arms here, ladies and gents. Just the arms. Bring the arms a little bit lower. Good. Because my daughter's just going off to her friend's house today. So she's going for a good old playtime with her friend. Let's take the heels into a pedal. Bicep curls up to the top. Just tap the shoulder with the arms. With the hands, should I say? Good. And you should be finding that your breath is coming back to normal. Coming down back to its normal level. Single arms. Good. Excellent. And just a pedal with the feet. So somebody like tried, pedal. Good. Well done. Time for me to get some water. I bet you possibly do with a little sip as well. So I've got my water. Let's sip together. Cheers. Gyda. Okie dokie. Let's roll those shoulders round. Loosen off the back. Round we go. Because we're going to take some work for the shoulders today. Yeah, we're going to work on the shoulders. So strength work for the upper body, and we've got a couple of leg exercises too. So you'll need your bands. If you get your bags ready. Everybody rushes off to get their bands. I love it. Well done. Okay, so you can sit or stand for this, entirely up to you. If your balance is good, then please keep standing. Otherwise, come to the chair. I'd like to step into the band in the centre, holding each end. Okay, so if you're standing, okay, so I'll stack in the 7th. You need to be standing soft knees, yes, soft knees, feet about hip width apart, and tuck the bottom under. So tuck in that pennel and yeah, underneath. Good. Shoulders down and relaxed. I'll stack in 7. If you're sitting, have a long spine. So sitting, Cadw'n here, gweithio'n awr. Okay. Right, make sure you've got enough tension on your band and that your feet are secure on top of the band, both feet. Okay, good. Okay, so front raises. So we're online, everyone here? Okay, is there equate? Follow down, and Natalie, bar bounce there. So breathing all the time, lifting up with a long arm above your lap. So we don't want to be coming too high, just at shoulder level. And we want to be controlling the return movement as well, because the band wants to ping back and we don't want that to happen very quickly. We want it to be controlled. Good. 2 and 1. Relax here. You might want to roll the shoulders Rolio. Okay, so wedyn this time, rhai, symud efo gilydd. So we're moving the arms together. Yeah? Good. We're going to do about 6 more. Okay? Good stuff. Good control. We're working on those shoulders today. Last one. I think we're there. Good. Well done. And if you want to wriggle your fingers out, sometimes you can get a little bit stiff in the fingers from holding that band tightly. Good. Okay. Shall we try to do both of those moves together? Okay. So, symud efo gilydd. Un waith. Un. A do it. Yeah? Un. Un. Ddwy. So 1 and 1 and both together. Good. Keep those shoulders relaxed down. Good. Both together. Good. So un. Un. Efo gilydd. Da iawn. Last one. Un arall. Good. Da iawn, pawb. Brilliant. And have a wriggle out. Wriggle, wriggle, wriggle. Fantastic. Okay, I'd like you to focus now on moving the arms to the side. So symud i'r ochr. Brachiau i'r ochr. So make sure you've got enough room at the side of you. Okay, show you standing. You turn your hands towards me. Shoulders down. So hands dwylo i fi. A wedyn, we're going to move each hand up to shoulder level. Good. So keeping the arm nice and long, slightly soft in the elbow. Good. Just up to shoulder level, or as far as you can make it. Good. Last one. Un arall. Da iawn, and rest here. So we're asking the arms to come out to shoulder level here, trying to get that arm up. Just moving as far as you can. Okay. Both arms together, efo gilydd. Lifting and stretching up. Good. Pull. Pull on that band and control it back. Remember, rest when you need to. Good. Well done. Can you manage 4 more on here, ladies and gents? Can you manage that? Remember, you can rest and come back into it when you want to. Where were we? 1 more. Good. And roll your shoulders. Okay. So putting that both together with single arms up to the side and then both together. So un, ac un, ac efo gilydd. Da iawn. Good. Eto, again. Good. If one side is lifting further than the other, don't worry about that. Just work with what movement you've got today. Well done. Ina. One more time. Really good work there. Well done, well followed. Da iawn. Okay. So we're going to sit for this one. Okay, so pawb yn eisteddwch. Wedyn work for the outer thigh. Okay, so we've still got our feet on the centre of the band. What I'd like you to do is take your hands all the way down the band, further still, and up to the knees. So you're sitting tall at the front part of your chair. That's it. And we're going to keep the feet flat to the floor, toes running forward. So tried i lawr, tried sydd ymlaen. Da iawn. Okay, wedyn dilyn o'r cre. Follow me. Push to the side, step to the side, push, pull it back. Push it wide and control it back. Push wide and bring it back. So we're looking at getting that step to the side. So we're pushing out and controlling back. Stay on the same side for me. Push and control back. So work for the outer thighs and some work for the inner thighs too. Good. So hinging open. So go, like that. Good. Well done. Last one. And now we're doing hoist, so changing legs this time. Have a little posture check, sit tall, Kevin in here. Awed in, step out. Good. So if you're stepping out to the side, moving from that hip, controlling the movement back in. The postman's here and the dog's gone mad. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Give those legs a rest. Excellent work there. I trust those legs were going because I can only see here, you see. So I trust you were doing and working as hard as I thought you were. Okay, so looking at the time. My goodness, it's flown by already. Let's just finish off this set. So what I want you to do this time is work both legs at the same time. One out to the side, irocho, irocho. Good. Sitting tall, ball down, tummy's in. Good. And coming back to the centre, controlling that move. Good. Pedwa. 3, 2, 1. Brilliant. Okay. And take your feet off the band, okay? Good stuff. You band to one side, all done with the band today. Right, we are. Finishing off with some stretches, and I think I'm going to have to play a little bit of a summary song, if possible. I thought as summer has arrived, I think we need a little bit of summer in our lives. So what do we think to this?
Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sand and watches the ships that go sailing.
Somewhere open your chest wide.
He's there watching for me.
Holding that hand
If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I'd go sailing.
Always stretch to me.
Beyond the stars, near
Forward out, push.
I know beyond the
Sway.
my heart will lead me there soon.
Back to your sway.
Beyond the shore,
Running it out.
we'll kiss
Big stretch up to the top.
happy we'll be beyond the sea.
And all the way down.
And never again I'll go see.
Big stretch again up to the top. Put your hand down towards your shoulder blade. And shake it loose. Oh, let's get those trumpets up again. Well done. Okay, let's think about the legs. Toes towards the ceiling.
My heart will meet there soon. We'll meet, I know we'll meet.
Working pluggy and wide, so coming forward.
Just as before. Happy we'll be beyond the
Now we're in a
sea. And
Right, everybody. A wedyn, lyflu.
No more sailing, so long
That's the
sailing.
centre.
Bye-bye.
Nice big stretch out. Breathe in. And exhale down. Naglu down. On that one. Naglu down ac allan. Breathing out. Give it all a good shake and a wiggle. All the way down, wriggling out, kick it out. Bring your hands wide and together and give yourselves a well-deserved clap. Diane Howe, brilliant work.